Hello, this is David Humphrey. I'm here at the ARC European Industry Forum in Spain, and I'm happy to have in the studio today Michael Schwarz from a very innovative, young, interesting company based in Munich. And I'd like to give Michael the chance to introduce himself and to say a bit about his company.
Hi, David. It's a pleasure to be here. So I'm Michael. You can say Michael Schwarz, or usually I'm Michael, co-founder and CEO of Xentara, as we are called as a company. Xentara is a open real-time edge platform that enables physical agentic AI. So we bring to the market a combination of openness and precision, the openness of IT systems. We combine it with the precision of classic OT systems to get to this world of, AI doing things and not only AI observing things.
That sounds interesting, but help me in the audience understand what agentic physical AI is. It's a very new term. I've only heard it recently.
It's obviously a new term, and I will not pretend that we knew it would come when we started the company 6 years ago. But we had indeed in mind when we started the company that AI would come closer to the production or to the machines, not only to observe things, but to act on things, to act on analysis. So that's why we put a lot of emphasis before we even started coding the platform to design, the architecture, the requirements, what we wanted to build. And we specifically looked on two aspects. One on the data side, semantic abstraction, separating hardware from software, separating data from applications, all of that. One on the data side, connectivity. And then on the timing side, this engine that allows to run things cyclical and event or event based. So that now that physical AI is there as a term and as a concept, we think we provide the ideal, so to say, IT/OT bridge that will enable this world of physical AI.
Can you give us some examples of how customers are using the platform?
There's still a way to go to really come to physical agentic scenarios where an AI really acts on things. Yeah, but we have, for example, one customer that is doing a quality control station where we have image processing as one component of the system, and then classic motion for moving the thing in, moving the thing out. So this customer is first of all unifying all of the application on one hardware. He's using one edge device for both image processing, quality control per se, as well as the motion of the thing that he wants to control there. Second of all, he's using us, Xentara, to dramatically increase the throughput of the imaging part of the system. The machine itself is quicker, it's producing the part in a faster sequence. Then the imaging station is able to digest it. So what we are now doing with Xentara is basically we are parallelizing tasks, image capture, image denoising, image analysis in various streams, and we can parallelize things and squeeze out throughput time basically, or bring down throughput time so that the overall performance of the machine goes up. This is not yet really an AI scenario, to be honest. It's more rule-based right now, but eventually it will be machine learning. At least that aspect of AI will help on the image processing side as well. That's kind of an evolution that will tackle next and the next iteration.
Michael, we're 2 days into the industry forum here. Can you tell me about what you've seen so far? Do you like the forum?
I like the forum very much. It's the first time I'm here, so I came here with, I would say neutral expectations. First of all, I like the venue. I like the format, the size. I like very much because it's very, it's broad enough to have different perspective of the things, but it's small enough to not get lost in 2,000 people and you don't hardly recognize anyone. Feels very familiar. People are very open, very constructive in their discussion. So I really like it. Whenever I have the feeling of being overwhelmed and almost a bit like, oh my God, what the hell should I also be doing now? It's usually a good sign because I get so many inputs, so many ideas that, I almost feel like, oh my God, it's too much. But it's a good sign. Yeah. So I like it. It's cool.
All right, Michael, that's great to hear. Thanks for joining us in the studio today. Thanks for attending and presenting at the forum. It's been great having you, and I hope to see you at another event sometime soon.